Good morning, friends, and welcome back to the homestead. So today we are going to work on getting these sheep out on pasture. We've had a couple of incidents trying to get them behind the house on pasture, and they've taken off. So we need to come up with another plan. I am not chasing after sheep, so we need to figure something else out. So I have an idea. We're going to go ahead and start doing that right now. So come on along.
Thing like that.
Yeah. All right, friends, we got them out. The sheep are out of the barn and they're behind the barn now with our cow and our pig. Let's head over there and see how they're doing. So here we have Henry's side. He's gonna be in the bigger area. And then I've got Hagrid in the middle section back here, and he's also electric fenced in. This way, everybody is separate because he's getting too big to be with the sheep. I don't want him hurting them. And Hagrid just likes to dig holes, so he needs to be in a spot where he can go ahead and dig as many holes as he wants. And I don't have to worry about any of my other animals breaking a leg. Look at them. They are enjoying all of this. Aw, Sniff. Hi, girls. So this, you see the fence line right there. So they have all the area all the way back behind there, all the way around, all the way back there by that tree, and around this way. This is all theirs to graze on. And then they can go back through there to the barn at night. All right, friends, so somehow Henry found his way out. So we had to reinforce the fence. We put up some T-posts and we increased the height of the electric wire because I think he might have jumped it. Because there's nothing that was down suggesting that he went over it and knocked it down, anything like that. So we're gonna stay out here and keep an eye on him and see if he tries to do it again, because we are not sure how he got out of that pen and into this pen with the sheep. So we will see if this works. If not, it's back to the drawing board, because I cannot keep him with our ram Sniffles because he jumps on him and he's gonna end up hurting our ram if we don't do something about it. That's how he did it. All right, friends, so we figured out where Mr. Henry was coming out. So we had to come up with an idea of how to keep him from jumping over here with my girls. So I had a piece of cattle panel that I usually use in my garden for my tomato trellis that we went ahead and put up here. This is where he was jumping out because the fence is down here. So he was just hopping right on over. Weren't you, Henry? So this is keeping him in now. He is not attempting to jump that because, as you can see, it's pretty tall. And the girls are all doing good. All right. We are all done now with the fencing. So friends, thank you for hanging out with us. I hope you enjoyed this video, how we keep our sheep, our cow, and our pig inside electric fencing. And until next time, don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your friends and family. As always, I hope all is well, and have a blessed day. You girls ready for bed? Did you enjoy being out today, huh?